Formation of ammonium ion. When ammonia is treated with proton that comes from acid, then there is formed ammonium ion. Ammonium ion. How many types of bonds are present in ammonium ion? This is what we are going to learn today. So let's get started. Ammonium ion, which is formed from ammonia and proton. Here, nitrogen, atomic number 7. So it has 7 electrons. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Now let us write electronic configuration in box method. 1s, 2s, 2p. 1s orbital contains 2 electrons. 2s orbital contains 2 electrons. p orbitals contain 1 electron each. This is 1s, 2s and 2p, 2px, 2py and 2pz. So nitrogen contains total 5 electrons in its outermost shell, 1 paired electron and 3 unpaired electrons. Now hydrogen, atomic number 1. So it has 1 electron. Electronic configuration is this, 1s1. Here proton is involved. Proton, hydrogen atomic number 1 plus means hydrogen donated 1 electron. So now it has no electron. Then nucleus that contains only 1 proton and shell with no electron. Now let us see how ammonium ion is formed. Nitrogen, 3 unpaired electrons and 1 paired electrons. With these 3 unpaired electrons, 3 hydrogen atoms with 1 electron form covalent bond. Covalent bond. Covalent bond. Then proton, nucleus with 1 proton, shell with no electron. According to duet rule, it needs 2 electrons and nitrogen has 1 free pair of electrons. So nitrogen donates its 1 pair electrons to proton. This is hydrogen ion with no electron. It contains only 1 proton. So this is also known as proton. Hydrogen ion is also called proton. Now here nitrogen donated its 1 pair of electrons to proton, and as a result ammonium ion is formed. Here nitrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. Nitrogen donated its 1 pair of electrons to proton. That is why this bond is symbolized by arrow sign and positive charge. shifted over nitrogen from hydrogen ion, because here nitrogen donated its one pair of electrons to hydrogen ion. In this way, ammonium ion is formed, in which this is coordinate covalent bond. Coordinate covalent bond, and these bonds are covalent bonds. So ammonium ion contains one coordinate covalent bond and three covalent bonds. Covalent bond, the bond which is formed by two electrons. That two electrons came from two atoms and shared by two atoms, but coordinate covalent bond, in which there are two electrons. That two electrons came from one atom, but both the atoms share these two electrons equally. This is coordinate covalent bond. Formation of ammonium ion. Thank you very much.